Some super cool things happen when you take traditional art styles and infuse them with a dramatically different art style. So let's jump in and see what kind of magic Mid-Journey cooks up. Up first is Surrealism infused with Gothic Noir. Clearly neither style stands out perfectly. Rather, an edgy new style is born. Next, we have pop art with Gothic Noir. These remind me of beat-up old vinyl albums. I think these are really cool. What do you think? Futuristic meets Gothic Noir. I really get a Blade Runner / Underworld feel from these. I think they're super cool. Next, we have Polynesian with Gothic Noir. In what world would these two ever come together? Mid-Journey makes it possible, and I love them. They are really striking. Let's look at Renaissance with Gothic Noir. These images fuse the two styles so well, the results are magical. Here we have Baroque with Gothic Noir. These images are quite strange, but I do like them. Up next is Native American art with a touch of Gothic Noir. I love how these gems turned out. They are really beautiful. Here is Celtic art with Gothic Noir. These are wicked cool. I am crazy about the final image. Our final set for this video is the traditional Japanese art style Yamato-e with Gothic Noir. These are probably my favourite. That's all we have. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Your support means everything.